Your engine is dying right now, not fast, slowly, every single day. Carbon deposits are building up inside your fuel injectors, clogging the tiny holes, disrupting the fuel spray, robbing you of horsepower and gas mileage. And right now, your mechanic is waiting for you to come in so he can charge you $200 to fix it. But I have a $3 liquid in my hand that does the exact same thing. Pour it in your gas tank. Drive normally, done. No appointment, no shop, no labor fee. And here's what makes this even more infuriating. This liquid contains the same active compound, PE, polyethyramine, that professional fuel injection cleaning machines use in the shop. The exact same chemistry in a bottle. For $3, stay until the end. I'll show you exactly what to use, how much, and the one thing you must check before you pour anything into your engine. Let me ask you something. Has your car felt slightly off lately? Rough idle at a stoplight? Engine hesitates when you accelerate? Fuel economy dropped by a few miles per gallon? Most people blame the car. Take it to the shop. Pay for diagnostics. Pay for the service. But here's the real reason this happens. Modern engines run incredibly precise fuel injection. The holes in your fuel injectors are thinner than a human hair. Over time, if we went from low-quality fuel, short trips, carbon buildup from the EGR system, those holes get partially clogged. The spray pattern breaks down. Instead of a perfect fine mist going into the combustion chamber, you get uneven droplets, incomplete combustion, wasted fuel, lost power. A mechanic sees this and says, fuel injection service, $150 to $200. What do they actually do? They pour a cleaning additive into your fuel system and run the engine. That's it. The exact same thing you can do yourself for $3.30. Now I need you to understand why this information is so hard to find. The automotive service industry in the US generates over $10 billion a year from preventive maintenance services, oil changes, fluid flushes, fuel system cleanings. A significant portion of that is built on the gap between what something costs to do and what they charge you for doing it. Here's something that will shock you. Honda, Ford, GM, and Nissan have all published internal letters to their dealership mechanics. The letters say, and I'm not making this up, do not recommend engine flushes or fuel injector cleaning services to customers. Why? Because if the service is something customers can do themselves for $3, it destroys a $200 revenue line. So instead of teaching you how to maintain your own car, they created a system where you need them for something you never needed them for. And the product that does this? It's been on the shelf at every auto parts store since the 1990s. They just made sure you never knew what it was for. I'm going to pour this into my car right now. Same car, same engine, before and after. If you don't see a difference in how it runs, close the video. I'll never bring this up again. But watch what happens. What you need: one bottle of seafoam motor treatment. It runs $3 to $5 at any auto parts store or online. That's it. Nothing else. Step 1. Check your fuel level. You want your tank between 1/4 and half full before you add this. The reason: you want the cleaner concentrated enough to work, but diluted enough to protect the fuel system. Don't add it to a full tank. Don't add it to an almost empty tank. 1/4 to half. Every time. Step 2. Open the seafoam bottle. Read the label, 1 ounce per gallon of fuel. For a 12-gallon tank at half full, that's 6 ounces. The bottle has a measuring cap. Use it. Step 3. Pour it directly into your gas tank through the fuel filler cap. No tools, no opening the hood, nothing mechanical. Close the cap. Step 4. Drive normally. Within the first 50 to 100 miles, the PEA compound dissolves carbon deposits off the injector tips, intake valves, and combustion chamber walls. The dissolved deposits exit through your exhaust. You might notice slightly more smoke from the exhaust for the first few miles. That's normal. That's the carbon leaving. After 1 full tank, run it again. 2 treatments is all most cars need. 3, if the engine has high mileage or hasn't been maintained in a while. Here's why this works. The actual science. PA, polyethyramine, is a nitrogen-based detergent that's stable enough to survive the combustion process. Most cleaning compounds break down before they reach the injectors. PEA doesn't. It dissolves hydrocarbon deposits, the hard carbon crust that builds up on injector tips and valve faces, at the molecular level. It doesn't just loosen them, it breaks the chemical bonds holding them together. Professional injector cleaning machines at dealerships use a pressurized version of essentially the same chemistry, same compound, higher concentration, much higher price tag. Seafoam uses PEA at a lower concentration, but over a longer exposure time, the full tank burn. The result is nearly identical for everyday maintenance. Independent test data shows that after 2 treatments with a PEA-based cleaner, fuel injector flow rates return to within 2 to 3% of factory specification. That's what a $200 shop service achieves for $3. Now, the warning. The one situation where you should not do this yourself, If your engine has a serious misfire, a cylinder that's completely dead, a check engine light that's been on for months, or visible oil in the coolant, stop. That's not a dirty injector. That's a mechanical problem that needs a real mechanic. Seafoam is maintenance. It prevents and reverses normal carbon buildup. It is not a repair for broken components. If your car runs fine, but just feels slightly less sharp than it used to, that's your target. That's exactly what this fixes. Also, if you drive a direct injection engine, most cars made after 2012 also do a separate intake valve cleaning every 30,000 miles. Direct injection sprays fuel directly into the cylinder, bypassing the intake valves, so the cleaner in your fuel doesn't reach the valves. You'll need a throttle body spray for that. I'll cover that in a future video. Seafoam is the budget option at $3 to $5. For slightly stronger results, there's Techron Concentrate Plus, about $12, and Lucas Fuel Treatment at around $8. All three use PEA as the active ingredient. All three work. For regular maintenance, Seafoam every 10,000 miles is all you need. For a car that hasn't been treated in years, start with Techron for the first treatment, then switch to Seafoam for maintenance. The information in this video exists. It's not a secret, but it's buried. Under $10 billion of reasons to keep you paying for a service you can do yourself for $3. That's why this channel exists. If this saved you money today, subscribe. Every week, one piece of knowledge the industry hopes you never find. Free. Comment engine. Right now, if you're trying this, I read every single one. Next video, I'm going to show you what a $2 product does to rust on your car that mechanics and body shops charge hundreds to treat permanently. No grinding, no sanding, just this. See you there.